Nifty is likely to trade near the flat line but with positive bias as traders continue to welcome Fed's first interest rate cut of the year. Bullish traders continue to welcome Fed's first interest rate cut of the year. Investors are heartened on the backdrop of the Fed signaling an additional 50 bps of cuts this year, followed by another 25 bps reduction in 2026. The running of bulls at Dalal Street shall continue, with Nifty aiming for the 25,670 mark. Long story short, the running of bulls at Dalal Street shall continue, with Nifty aiming for the 25,670 mark. Market trends. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 367 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3327 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive bullish consolidation play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 9.88 levels. At last check, USD INR, September, was trading firm near the 88.14 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.13 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.11. Nifty outlook, Nifty may aim to end the week with a bang. The risk-on theme is likely to prevail. Nifty, CMP to 5424. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,271 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,670 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,300 and 25600. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 83014. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 82,727 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,882 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 82,600 and 83600. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 55727. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 55,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 56,700 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,300 and 56300. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. We suspect the running of bulls is likely to continue with aggressive intermonth targets at Nifty to 5670 mark, high as on 30th June. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Poonawalla Fincorp, plus 12.30%, flared up after the company said its board approved the allotment of 3.31 crore equity shares worth nearly 1,500 crore rupees to promoter entity Rising Sun Holdings. The shares have been issued at 452 rupees and 51 paise per share, including a premium of 450 rupees and 51 paise under the preferential issue route. 2. Biocon, plus 3.97%, after the company's subsidiary, Biocon Biologics, received approval from the US Food and Drug Administration, USFDA, for Boscia and Okelso, denosumab biosimilars. 3. Nutco Pharma, plus 3.16% after the US Food and Drug Administration, USFDA, has issued an Establishment Inspection Report, EIR, classifying its pharma division facility in Kothur, Hyderabad, as Voluntary Action Indicated, VAI. 4. BR Goyal Infrastructure rallied 1.96% after the company reported an order book of 1,442.93 crore rupees as of 31st August 2025, reflecting healthy inflows across multiple segments.